If you come to Coney Island, one of the things you always associate with Coney Island is Nathan's Famous Hot Dogs. Been around since 1916, an institution that's been around forever. But you see the line on both sides here, and you know there's so much to do in the city of New York. So guess what? I don't have time for it. Not today, guys. What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B, and today we're out here in Coney Island, out here in New York. We're checking out the beach, we're checking out the pier, and we're having a good old time. Let's go. You can take the Q, F, or D line subways and get off on the Coney Island exit. And it takes a pretty long ride, usually from if you're within the city, because it's the very end of the Brooklyn line. It is the very last exit in Brooklyn, Coney Island, but it's really convenient. It's a nice, cool station, and you can get off, and you're pretty much right across the street from Nathan's Famous Hot Dogs or Nathan's Famous Seafood, where you see me stop at in just a moment. But you're right across the street, across the way. And the seafood place, they had a pretty good line, but it doesn't compete with the hot dog place. I didn't even know there was a such thing as Nathan's Famous Seafood. But hey, when the hot dog line is that long, I'm gonna stop somewhere else and eat. But you can get your clam chowder, all different types of chowder. So what I decided on from the seafood bar here is lobster bisque. Lobster bisque actually turned out to be pretty good, but they do clam bar right there. There was no one in line, so it was really easy and convenient when you're hungry. I don't think this lobster chowder I got right here was enough to fill me up. It wasn't, but hey, it still did the job. It was a little something to get from there. Got that in the Heineken. I enjoyed it. Still ended up doing Taco Bell afterwards, but hey, it was pretty good. O'clock. Not a whole whole lot of people around the park right now. You see the roller coaster and the different rides around. Decent amount of people, but I would say definitely not a lot. It's kind of right now. It's June as we speak, as I record this video. Overall, really nice day. I enjoyed the experience on Coney Island. You got a really nice beach. You got a really fun area, if you want to come and have a little more time where you can do the games and the roller coasters and the amusement parks and bring your kids and go wild for an entire day. But I really enjoyed it. I was just coming here just to check it all out, and I really enjoyed it. So I do come highly recommend it on Coney Island. So that's all, folks. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more material coming out in the future. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace!